Here's the problem. You invested ton-load of time and effort to build the most sophisticated data lake, data warehouses, big data stores, reports, charts, dashboards, data science teams, so that your users could have all the information they need to make effective decisions and take actions 24/7. But not many seem to be using what you built. Instead, they still rely on their own Excel sheets, notepads, or their gut feel, calling this person, that person, and anyone they feel can give them the answers, sending emails back and forth. This costs so much time, effort, and frustrations. Meanwhile, all your big data stores gain rust. The beautiful dashboard you built gets no traffic and use. Is there a better way to make your data accessible to everyone? The way we have always been getting all of our information today. Simple. Say hello to Kia, the data platform that lets your users talk to their data in the language they speak. With Kia, your users can ask any questions on their data, get their answers, gain insights, collaborate, take actions, and do a lot more, all in one secure place. Kia just makes your data that much more accessible, insightful, and valuable. The data analyst of tomorrow is here today. Introduce Kia to your users. It is time to love your data again.